Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're making blueberry muffins.
Today we're making blueberry cornbread muffins with maple syrup. Trust me, they're going to blow your mind. You will need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornmeal, half a cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and a half teaspoon salt. You're also going to need 1 cup of milk, a half cup of blueberries, 1 egg, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 4 tablespoons of butter, and then the zest of 1 lemon.
I wanna do it.
You can do it. As always, the ingredients and directions are in the description. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Melt the butter and then mix your egg together. Add it to your flour mixture and then add the butter.
Wow.
Because this is hot, I'm going to dump it in. Add the milk, the maple syrup, and the lemon zest, and then gently fold it all together.
Smells good.
Sure does. Just get the last of it out with this.
Wow. It's turning more muffins.
Add the blueberries and then gently fold them into the muffin mix.
I'm just putting the Christmas ones way by the red ones. Oh, what I'm gonna do.
Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then prepare your muffin pan.
Oh, that looks perfect. Yes.
Alright, let me just get this first. I'm going to hand this to you. Take it. Turn. And go.
Sorry.
That's okay. Just squeeze it out. Oh, sorry. You okay?
Here, the pinch it.
Okay, we're not gonna, I'm just gonna, because it's a little bit too much. I'm sorry, I pinched it.
That's okay. Accident happened.
It's true. No, I'm sorry.
Right there. Try that finger.
Divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 of the way full.
This is for you, Dada.
Oh, thank you.
And this is for me.
Let's do this.
You too.
Okay, I'm in right here for 18 minutes. Allow the muffins to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before removing them from the pan. Cheers.
It was good. I tried it.
Wow. It's got blueberry flavor and lemon.
Nom nom.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Welcome to our subscribe.
Welcome to our subscribe.
Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
High five. And there you have it, folks. Delicious, moist, and bursting with flavor. These maple blueberry cornbread muffins are a perfect treat for breakfast, brunch, or any time of the day. We hope you enjoyed following along with us today and learned a thing or two about baking. But don't worry, the culinary journey doesn't end here. Join us next time as we whip up a classic dessert that's sure to impress. Carrot cake. Get your aprons ready, your sweet tooth primed, and let's get cooking. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.